Story time from Pearls of Intuition. Once upon a time, there was a young man who worked at a factory. His mentor, an old technician, taught him to talk less and do more, and never stopped developing his skills in every aspect of factory's operations. Isn't this a beautiful skill? To talk less, do more, and keep developing skills for growth and expansion. Today we are going to talk about this. For all those who are joining me for the first time, I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author and a therapist. Let's understand what happens to the technician listening to the mentor's advice. 10 years later, the old man retired and the young man became a technician himself. He continued to do his work with the same dedication and diligence as he was taught. One day he visited his mentor. The old man saw that he seemed unhappy and asked what was troubling him. The young man said, "I have been following your instructions exactly all these years. No matter what I work on, I keep quiet and focus on the job. I know I have done good work at the factory and I have learned all the skills that can be learned there. What I don't understand is that the guys who don't have my experience or capabilities have all been promoted, while I am still making as little as I did before when I was your apprentice." The old man asked, "Are you positive that you have become indispensable to the factory?" The young man nodded yes. The old man paced back and forth to think. After a while, he turns to the young man. "You must request the day off using whatever reason you like. It's time for you to give yourself a break." The young man was surprised by this advice, but the more he thought about, the more it makes sense. He thanked his teacher and left quickly to make a time of request. When he returned to work after his day off, the manager called him into the office to tell him that things did not go well at the factory while he was gone. Others encountered many problems that normally would be handled by him, and they had no idea how to solve them. Realizing his importance, the manager decided to promote him to the position of senior technician to thank him and encourage him to keep up the good work. The young man was grateful for his mentor's wisdom. Shortly, he thought that this was the best lesson to attract success. From that point on, whenever the young man felt like he deserved more than what he was getting, he would take a day off. He came back the next day. The situation improved to his satisfaction, and this pattern continued for months. One day, the young man found that he was blocked from going into the factory. Much to his shock, he found out that his employment was terminated. He could not believe it. Not knowing what else to do, he went back to his mentor to try to figure out how things have gone so wrong. "Why did I lose my job?" he asked with wounded pride. "Did I not do everything you instructed?" Mentor replied, "Actually, you did not, because you heard only half the lesson." The old man shook his head. "You understood right away that no one pays any attention to a light bulb that is always on. It is only when it goes off that people suddenly take notice and they realize they have been taking it for granted. You were so eager to apply this understanding, but you left before hearing the second half." "Second half?" asked the young man. Perhaps he thought he made a big mistake. So asked the mentor, What was the second half? The mentor spoke slowly to make his point. The second half is more important than the first. It is the realization that if a light bulb goes off frequently, then sooner or later it will be replaced with one that is more reliable. Who wants a light bulb that no one can count down to provide illumination? You see in life, in your life, do you have friends and family members that you take for granted? They are always there for you. What happens if one day they are no longer there? Do not wait for such a day to suddenly realize how important they are. Give thanks today for the good fortune of having them in your life, and don't let yourself being taken for granted. But at the same time, do your work and don't stop everything you do just because it does not go the way you want it to go. Find a balanced life and life will reward you back by giving the balance back. And if you found today's video valuable, do share with your family and friends and let us together make a difference. And be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really helps others find our videos and supports our channel as well. Also, if you ever want to connect directly with me for coaching or therapy, you just need to pick up your phone, the details shared in the description below. Do raise your frequency high and keep it high until we meet next. Light and fragrance to all of you.